In today's video, I'll teach you how to repost an UpScrolled app. So first of all, launch open UpScrolled application. You can see over here UpScrolled application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Over here, you'll be able to see the post of the people that you're following, or if you tap on the discover option, you'll be able to see other posts as well. So what you have to do is simply find the post that you would like to repost. Once you do that, under that post, you'll be able to find various icons over here. You'll be able to find the like icon, comment icon, and repost icon. So what you have to do is tap on this icon for repost that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option repost that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here this particular post has been reposted. So like this, you'll be able to repost. So that is how you repost an UpScrolled. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.